Introducing the 2020 Toyota Corolla Luna SAL 4-door auto. With only 39,000 kilometres on the clock and featuring a 1.8 litre petrol-electric engine, this sleek grey saloon is the perfect blend of style and efficiency. Packed with comfort and tech features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone and USB12V Power Outlets, every drive will be a pleasure. Safety features like anti-collision system, lane departure warning and multiple airbags provide peace of mind on the road. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing and a comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information today.